Welcome to this video. Today I will go over Blobs, Solaris, how to create this volumetric blob of certain primitives that you can choose from, and then a MaterialX reference node to get this copper material. There's a few other materials in this folder, but they're really great, and then you can edit them. I'll have timestamps for this video if you want to skip around, and then this whole project, we won't get one-to-one, but I will upload this whole thing into my Gumroad, and we will get something close to this. So if you want to go beyond that, check out the project. So let's click new and save. Just do a new project and I'll discard that for now. Okay, so because I clicked new here, I'm already in the Solaris context. So let's begin by doing a stop create and diving into there. Let's add a sphere and let's add a attribute noise vector, and let's change this V attribute to P and view that. And you can see we have this displacement effect. Let's add a match size to bring it back to center, because it offset it, I believe, by whatever the value I have here is the amplitude. It should move it further. Yep. So we'll bring this back. And I'm going to use a cloud node. Put this into here. Adjust some of these if you would like as well, just in this attribute noise. And then I'm going to scatter some points. And let's just do the count something lower, 13. So I now have a seed value where I can just change this. You can mess with relax iterations if you would like, but I'm going to keep that as is. And then I'm going to attribute randomize the attribute called p-scale to randomize these points to go from 0 to 1. And then I'm going to simply copy to points and switch this into here, delete this connection, and then I'm just going to drag this sphere, which actually I forgot to do this, change this to a primitive, and then yeah, keep that as a primitive. And actually, I think I want to keep it as the original. Sorry. So right, I want to divide it so it actually looks more interesting when we add displacement. So okay, now I will duplicate this by alt dragging, and now we have this look. And as I mentioned before, oh, didn't mean to do that. Yeah, okay. So I can adjust this value, and let's actually bring that to 1. We just need one dimension. For this p-scale, it's 0 to 1. And then finally, I'm going to do a remesh. Plug this into here. Actually, I think I want a remesh to grid. Yes, and then 0.05. Okay. So we now have this look, and we can just change this value, change the global scale, change this seed value, and then adjust these for different iterations. So yeah, let's go something like that. And now I will jump out of here and let's now add a reference. And in this, we'll go to file pattern and let's type in HFS is the folder that you should be looking for. Click Houdini, click MaterialX, resources, materials, and examples, standard surface. And then we have to search this directory for all the files. And in my instance, I used copper, but as you can see, there's quite a few in here. And then I will throw down a assign material and choose this material path. Click copper, apply. And now throw a karma render. And let's add a light into our scene. Maybe I need to actually have this node here. Edit material, material path. Do a standard surface copper, and then materials, load. Oh, hold on. That should work. Let's double check. All right. Standard surface. And okay, there you go. Okay, so I had to have this in here, right? So create is what I was looking for right there. Right, okay. So now if we go here, we actually don't need this edit material. I have that set up correct in the full project. And yeah, that's basically the setup. Now, one more thing that you can do in the MaterialX is do hashtag HFS dash, jump into the folder, go back to this folder and click a HDRI that you like, and there you go. You now have a copper looking look dev environment. And in the project, I actually go a little deeper into editing. So let's just say, let's go back here and pin this. And now I can jump back into this SOP create and then start messing with these values. So like 21. That's cool. And just mess with really anything that you're interested in, but you'll get some interesting results. So thank you for watching, and I hope you